Many believe that selling AI-generated art as a beginner on platforms like Fiverr is nearly impossible. However, recent trends show growing success in digital custom art, especially with the use of AI tools. Thousands of Etsy shops are thriving by offering personalized artwork, and many of these ideas can be effectively transferred to Fiverr, where even new sellers are managing to get consistent sales. The concept is straightforward. Identify best-selling custom art services on Etsy, recreate them using AI, and list them on Fiverr. These services usually involve turning a customer's image into a stylized digital portrait. Buyers often submit images of themselves, their pets, or loved ones, and request transformation into unique art styles, ranging from royal portraits to cartoons. What's notable is that many customers are satisfied with average or even low-quality outputs, suggesting a significant opportunity for creators using advanced AI tools to offer superior quality at faster turnaround times. Additionally, most people lack either the time, tools, or knowledge to generate these artworks themselves, justifying the continued demand for such services. Here are 5 of the most popular custom art niches that consistently perform well. 1. Custom royal pet and owner portrait, a composite artwork that places a pet and its owner into a regal setting. Buyers send in photos, which are merged into a creative royal-themed image. 2. Custom pixel art portrait, popular among digital communities. This involves converting photos into 8-bit or pixelated versions reminiscent of retro games. 3. Custom royal pet portrait, focused solely on pets. These portraits transform animals into royal figures, complete with crowns and regal attire. 4. Custom watercolor portrait, mimicking the look of hand-painted watercolor art. This style is favored by couples and families. The soft, aesthetic appeal of watercolor is ideal for gifts. 5. Custom cartoon portrait. These illustrations emulate the style of animated movies. Despite lower competition, demand remains high for cartoon-styled family and couple portraits. To create these artworks efficiently, AI tools can be used. Prompts tailored for each art style can help generate stunning results within seconds. For example, uploading a clear photo along with a descriptive prompt can yield outputs in royal, cartoon, watercolor, or pixel styles using generative tools. While traditional hand-drawn art may take hours or days, AI drastically reduces creation time without sacrificing quality. Once a style is chosen and a few sample images are generated, the next step is to establish a brand. Choosing a creative, niche-appropriate name and designing a basic logo helps build credibility. A professional logo and cohesive branding allow the service to stand out, especially when starting out with no prior reviews. Setting up a Fiverr profile involves creating a clean, skill-focused bio, selecting appropriate categories, and listing relevant skills in the art/design field. A basic $5 gig with a 1-day delivery and unlimited revisions is recommended initially to gather reviews and build trust. Once a few positive reviews are in place, additional packages and higher pricing can be introduced. For the gig description, ensure it is clear, concise, and free of emojis. Include answers to common questions, such as accepted image formats, revision limits, and expected delivery quality. The requirements section should ask for a high-quality photo of the subject, any specific preferences for style, and any additional notes to personalize the artwork. Visual presentation is key. Use platforms like Canva to create compelling thumbnails and sample galleries. Videos increase the chances of attracting clients, and simple animations of the artwork can be added for extra impact. If available, a PDF portfolio can further showcase the quality and range of work. To drive early sales, joining Facebook groups related to art or pet lovers can provide organic promotion opportunities. Share artwork samples without direct promotional links, encouraging members to comment or message privately for commissions. This avoids spam detection and fosters genuine engagement. Once the gig is live and visibility increases, incoming messages should be carefully vetted to avoid scams. No personal information or links should be shared unless verified. The focus should remain on responding to genuine inquiries and delivering quality work that satisfies customers. By offering quality, speed, and customization, AI-generated custom art becomes a viable gig niche. As platforms evolve, those who know how to integrate AI effectively will continue to gain an edge in the digital marketplace.